So the other cart that we have here, one of our popular shipping racks, is our 21 series side slider ones, where they the difference with these is the adjustments on the shelves. You can see all the ladder rungs here, and they have the to keep the shelves from bouncing out when they're traveling and that. So for adjusting them, it's a lot quicker than it is with the hook-in style. And basically, it's a lot of the wholesalers will use these when they're adjusting levels every hour or so, where the hook-in style, they usually set them once and leave them. The other option you can get with these is a spring-loaded drawbar that it will come and hook up to the other cart with it, and then when they unhook it, it just goes back up and out of the way, where the other one is a locked one. So in total, if you're going with the cart with 3 shelves in the base, you get 5, 10, 20 trays on each level. So right now, with this cart being all the way full, you have a total of 20 trays.